Landing pages are used primarily for navigation. The home page of a site is usually a landing page. The top-level pages in the main menu are typically landing pages. Information on landing pages is arranged in horizontal bands. The bands can be 1-column, 2-column, 3-column, or 4. Inside the bands are many pieces of content called blocks or cards. Here is a carousel, a text field, a quick links block, a call to action or CTA card, and article cards. Bands can have colored backgrounds or background images. The blocks and cards should link to the subpages of the landing page, which you can see in the menu drop-down. Blocks and cards must be created before they can be inserted into a landing page. Visit the Digital Commons support site to learn how to create the different types of cards. In this video, we will demonstrate using existing cards. Let's walk through creating a landing page. You must be a site admin role to create a landing page. In the admin toolbar, choose Add Content, Landing Page. Leave the language set to language neutral. Give the page a title. This is a required field. Hide title is only for the home page of the site. Key search topics will promote this page to the top of all the search results for underwater archaeology. Now let's add some content to the page. Start by adding a band. Choose the type of band first, full width, and then click Add New Band. You can optionally add a title for the band. We won't do that here. In the block field, I'll select the already created carousel block for this page. In Color Scheme, I'll make the band it's in have a blue background. Let's go all the way to the bottom and save the page. Notice that it's not published yet. You can work on the page in multiple sessions before you publish it. Here we see the carousel added to the page with a blue background. Now let's add a 2-column band with an article card and some text. Click the Edit tab above the page title. Here's the 1-column band we already created. Choose 2-column band from the Band Type drop-down. Then click Add Another Band. Let's add a title. For a 2-column band, you must select left-right sizing. I'm choosing 1/3, 2/3. In the left column, the 1/3 side, I'm going to put the already created article card, Survey and Inventory. In the right column, I'm going to paste some text from Notepad. Use the Clipboard with a T tool to remove unwanted formatting when you paste. I'll add a background image. You can only do this by uploading an image. Make sure it's a low contrast image so text will appear readable on top of it. Since my background image is fairly dark, I'm going to choose Core Black in the Color Scheme drop-down. This will ensure the text turns white. If I choose light gray, the text will be black. Let's save. Let's see what we have. Here's the title of the band. Here's the article card. Here's the text field where we pasted text. Here's the background image. And here's the core black color scheme. There's a couple things I don't like. One, I don't want so much blue above and below the carousel. And two, I don't want the black showing on the sides of the background image. Let's fix that. Click the Edit tab. Here's the full width band with the carousel, so let's do that first. Click the Edit button. What I'm going to do is change the padding. That's the space above and below the band. Unintuitively, the option for none doesn't mean there isn't any padding. It means the default amount of 60 pixels top and bottom is applied. No top or bottom padding would make this a little tight, So let's try 30 pixels, top and bottom. Now let's fix the image background band. Scroll down to it and click Edit. In Background Image Style, set it to Full Bleed. Save and let's see what we have. The blue above and below the carousel is smaller. The background image now goes all the way to the edges of the screen. Let's do one more change. Let's put the carousel below the background image band. Click Edit again. When you hover over the Reorder icon, you get a little crosshairs-looking tool. Click and drag the band to the top. And save again. The band order is different now. There's another way you can reorder the bands. Click on Show Row Weights. You can change the order of the band by putting it higher or lower. The numbers at the top of the weights drop-down mean the band will appear higher in the page. The numbers at the bottom would push the band lower. The change will take effect when you save. There's something else that's important to do that's unique to landing pages. Because landing pages don't have a body field built in like site pages do, search engines don't know where to look for text. They can't index the page and help people find it. So for landing pages, it's very important to add metadata about the page. Click Edit again. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Meta Tags tab on the left. Leave the page title field alone. In the description field, drag over the existing token and replace with text by pasting or typing. This should be a short amount of text that accurately describes the page. Save the page and you're done.